student of Happy Convent School, Dhubri, is fortunate enough to welcome you all to our presentation. As we know that we are all going through a dark phase of COVID-19 pandemic that does not persist us to attend schools physically. But even during this tough time, I am very thankful to our Honorable Principal Ma'am for providing us this magnificent opportunity to verify that volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder by using a working model. In the first scenario, a teacher is explaining to his student the relationship between the volume of cone and volume of cylinder. Let's have a glance of it.
So class, today we are going to discuss the relation between the volume of cone and cylinder.
Sir, can we demonstrate this verification practically? Is it possible to show the volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder by an experiment?
Okay, in order to have a better understanding of this verification, an activity will be demonstrated practically. I hope it will clear your understanding for this very topic.
Activity will be demonstrated practically by one of the members of our group to show that volume of cone equal to 1/3 volume of cylinder by making a working model. So the materials required are chart paper, glue, scissors and ruler. With the aid of these materials, we have prepared a cone and a cylinder with equal height and equal diameter, of height being 16 cm and diameter of each being 8.5 cm. Now let's discuss what is a cone and a cylinder. A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base to a point called the vertex. A cone is formed by a set of line segments, half lines or lines connecting a common point. The cone does not extend beyond the base, while in the case of half lines, it extends infinitely far. A cylinder is a closed solid shape with two parallel bases, generally circular in shape, connected by two parallel sides.
Now, let us illustrate an experiment practically as to how the volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder by preparing a working model. For this activity to be demonstrated, let us grasp some idea about volume. So, what is volume? It can be defined as the three-dimensional space or capacity enclosed by a boundary or occupied by an object. It is the measure of how much space an object takes up and is measured in cubic units. In this series, we will see how this cone can be enclosed completely in a cylinder. So the question is, how much more does the cylinder has as compared to the cone? So we will fill the cone with sand taken as a sample and pour it 3 times into this cylinder, and thus we can observe that the cylinder becomes full. Therefore, it can be concluded that the cylinder holds 3 times the sand taken in the cone. Hence, our experiment is efficiently substantiated.
Okay, so now we are done with our experiment. We would also like to thank our subject teacher Modak sir for guiding us throughout the project. Thank you for watching.